Yes guys, we're back at it again. It's another one today. Gonna do a little simple one, Today we're gonna be doing some nice pumpkin rice, a little fried chicken. We're gonna have some lentils on the side, So we're gonna match it up today, man. We're gonna do it proper. So now I'm just cutting up some natural seasoning. You have your bell peppers and scallion, all of them stuff, man. Spring onions, everything, tomatoes, everything. I'm gonna chop those up, get them ready. Gonna chop up pumpkin, and that's for the rice. We have some chicken breast there already. This pot always have to be flavorful, You see the amount of natural seasoning we use. Fat have to be flavorful. You see the amount of colors, Fat have to smell nice and taste nice, That's how we do it. But yeah, man. But I love the way how you guys are watching up the videos and thing. We just have to keep pushing. Like I said, we have to try and get us up to the 50 subs, so I can start live streaming some stuff, because I've already started making some progress when it comes to the getting the vehicle. Already got a van ready and getting my car prepared to sell and stuff. So I'm just getting some little bits and stuff done to it, get it cleaned up, get it ready for sale, and then the next thing I'll move on to the van, get that ready to sell as well, so I can start buying materials and stuff, getting ready for the new van to get kitted out for the new adventure, So like I said, just keep watching the videos and share the videos and stuff, so we can get more subscribers, so we can push this thing further, so we can get this thing up and running proper. But, just stay tuned, man, and go on, ease yourself and watch the video and thing, and see the progress, how things are going, and we can roll. There's no bone in this one. It's boneless. But you know what I mean. Everything have to season up proper. So we gotta drop our natural seasoning, right? So drop some natural seasoning. Yeah, man, get it proper rubbed in, man. Get it proper rubbed in. See, looking nice. And we're gonna leave that to marinate, Leave that so the season get into the meat properly. Everything nice. See how it looks proper, man. Alright, so we're getting our rice pot on now. Get the water in there. We're gonna drop our pumpkin in there. You get all of that stuff in, So that you're gonna leave that to boil. Let that boil. So it's nice and soft. Let it mash out. And we're gonna add natural seasoning to it as well. So we're gonna add our coconut milk, you know. Oh yeah. Hopefully another time I'll give you some ackee. Unfortunately, I don't have an ackee tree here, so we can't go climb no ackee tree. So only in the tin. So I'll add some coconut milk, and again, we don't have coconut tree, so we can't climb no coconut tree to get no coconut. So we have to just use what we get. That's all we get here, coconut in the tin. And I did get a bit of cut on my finger from that tin, but you know, that's minor. You know, in the kitchen, always expect a little cuts here and there, burns here and there. That's just natural. That's alright. So that's fine. So now, so we're just washing our rice now. Wash our rice to go in. You know, I don't really measure rice. I just, sorry, I don't even know how to tell you how I do it. I just go by eye. I've been doing it for a long time, so I don't even know how much pound of rice is that. I don't know. Yes, so I'm adding my lentils. This is the green lentils. They all got different colors. This one is the green one, but it looks really dark. It's a green one. So I'll be doing a bit of lentil. So just add to some water and just get that to boil. As you know, I don't know if you've been following for a while, you know I don't eat meat, so I'm vegan. Strictly vegetables, so I don't eat meat, but I'll cook it, no problem. It's alright. Yeah. Alright, so getting the flour ready for the chicken, to coat the chicken in. So that's our flour there. So with this, it's up to you. You can mix it to whatever you want to mix it with, but I mix it with a bit more seasoning, same kind of seasoning you put on the chicken, just a little bit, not too much, and baking powder, so you get that nice soft chicken. It's not too tough, you know. When you fry it, it's not tough, it's nice and soft. Yeah, so here I'll just put some garlic, some spring onions, or you can put thyme or anything in the oil. It's just to get some flavor going, you know, get the oil nicely flavored up, ready for your chicken. So that's just another way to flavor up your stuff, man. Yeah. So I'll just leave our chicken to get nicely golden brown. Yes, sir. So I'm just checking my rice pot now, checking the pumpkin to see how soft they are, see how far along they are, and see if they're ready to go. Yes, sir. So I'm adding some more flavor to the pumpkin rice pot. You know, now you add your powder seasoning and stuff. Season to taste. You know, like I said, you can add as many seasoning as you want, as long as it's to your taste. And I just add all my little powder seasoning I have there. Add it to taste, you know, so it's down to you. But obviously not too overpowering stuff. Just add a chunk of every little thing. Just a little sprinkle of every little thing you have. And make it nice up, you know. Yeah. Yes, man. So we're almost there, man. Look at the nice and golden brown chicken. We're ready. Yes, ready, ready, ready. So good to go with those, man. Oh, there's still more to go. We're not finished yet completely, but that's what they'll be looking at. So yeah. So this is a gravy. So what I'll do, I use some of the flour, the mixture that I use to coat the chicken in, and use some of that to mix up some gravy. So that I don't have to do chicken stock and all that stock, whatever stock. I make my own stock with flour. So I'll use that to build up the body, you know, make it nice and creamy and thick, nice thick gravy. That's what I use, flour to thicken it up. Plus it's already got some seasonings already, and then you season it again, and you know, that's how you do it. And go checking on my lentils to see how they're getting on, if it's cooked yet. I need a little bit more. It's not finished yet, but it's coming along. It's coming along. Yes sir, so I'll be adding my coconut milk to my lentils, and I'll add some to the gravy as well. You know, everything has to be nice, man. Everything has to be flavorful. Everything. You have to chuck in a roast a noodle night, you know, a roast a noodle going into the lentils there. If you know what I'm talking about. Yeah man, no macaroni, roast a noodle. Yeah. Rice going now. This is where the rice goes in. This is the rice time. Well, like I said before, I don't use no measurement. I just go by eye. So I can't tell you how many cup of rice that is, and I can't tell you how many cup of water. This is the measurement I use. Look, you see the fork? If it stands up, it's the right amount. That's it. Taste now. You're good to go. Just leave that to boil. You know? Yeah man. Alright, this is a natural seasoning from when we had marinate the chicken in. So this seasoning goes with the gravy. As I said, it's already seasoned up, it's ready. So the seasoning is already on there already. And then, you know, you can check it. I don't need to check it really, because I know seasoning is on there. I don't even need to check it, because I don't even eat it. Like I said, I don't do chicken like that. So this is the rice. It's boiling up. See, it's looking nice. Look at it, man, nice and pretty. It's coming along, almost ready. Yeah, coming along nicely. Yeah, man, looking good. Alright, so fresh. This is the fresh seasoning now. This is the fresh natural seasoning going into the lentil. This I can taste. This is my style. I taste this one. This is alright for me. This is all good. Yeah, man, natural seasoning there, looking nice. Look at the colors. Yo, look at that smell. Ooh, telling you, it's kicking right now. Not long to go. Not long to go. That coconut, I put some more water in there. Yeah, man, looking nice. Looking nice. It's already almost there, So I'm gonna get my powder season again and give it a little seasoning up, you know, get everything in there. Like I said, season to taste. It's down to you. How much seasoning you wanna put in there? So down to you, you know. Just give it a nice little seasoning up, man. Everything have to be flavorful, you know. Yes, check upon this rice, you know. You can't leave, you have to keep an eye on it, you know. You don't want it to burn. So at this stage now, where all the water is dried down, so now we can just turn the fire down and leave it to steam out. Because look, it's nice and shelly rice, may I tell you. Nice, not ready yet, but turn the fire down and leave it to nice and steam out. Yeah, man. Yes, rice is looking lovely. Look, nice and shelly. You can count the rice grain. How much rice grain you want? 100? No, man, this is sweet. Hey, if you was in the kitchen and smell it, man, it's sweet. Nice and shelly rice. Cooked lovely, man. Ready to go. See? Nice and shelly. Alright. Yes, sir. Check on the gravy. See gravy a bubble. Just wait for it to go down a little bit more. Nice and thick. Yo, it's smelling so lovely, man. Jeez. Yeah. Yes, that's it. The lentil is coming along right now. Look at it. Look at it. Bubbling away. Wait for it to get nice and thick up, you know. Nice. Looking lovely there, man. Almost there, man. Almost there. Looking lovely. Yeah. Yeah, man, everything touched down now. All the pot them land. You see, chicken juice is still nice and lovely. share out a plate now, no? Everything ready. Let's share out a plate. This ain't for me. This is for Mumsy. Share out a plate for her still, you know? She ready for rice and thing. Yeah, it's not restaurant quality presentation. No, you know, it's home cooked stuff. Later on, I'll show you the restaurant quality share out stuff, you know, presentation. This is just home thing. This ain't no restaurant thing, you know. So, but it's not about the looks, it's the taste. Yes, the taste good. I tell you. So, the taste is lovely. Yes, man, this is it. Just a reminder to like, share, subscribe, you know. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Reggae Roots. Be on the road soon, you know. Yeah, man. But thanks for watching. We'll drop another one soon. So take care of yourself. Peace.